Welcome, everybody. So you think you know Africa? You've seen the movies, you've heard the stories. But let me tell you, there's a place rewriting the narrative. A country not just surviving, but thriving. Welcome. Discover why Rwanda is Africa's rising jewel. Its vibrant culture, its incredible food, some of the warmest, most welcoming people you'll ever meet. It's a country that looks you in the eye and says, yeah, we've been through some things, but look at us now. A comeback story, the best kind, one that invites you to be part of the next chapter. Now, I know what you're thinking. Trevor, places to be, things to scroll. I get it. That's why we're packing all of this into a quick 6-minute tour. We're diving into the culture, the cuisine, the people, and the top 10 holiday spots that'll make you book a flight. We're talking gorillas, volcanoes, stunning lakes, and a city so clean you'll be tempted to eat off the streets. A whirlwind tour, small country, massive heart and ambition. Stick around. This isn't just a list. I'll give you the inside scoop on what to eat. Trust me, you'll thank me later. Where to meet the locals, the true soul of this nation. Must-see sites that stay with you long after you've left. All right, let's start with the headliner, the main event, the reason many people first whisper the name Rwanda. We're talking about Volcanoes National Park. Imagine trekking through a misty, emerald green jungle, the air thick with damp earth and wild vegetation. Because you know who lives here? The magnificent mountain gorillas. Seeing a silverback and his family in their natural habitat is profound. You're a guest in their home, and for one incredible hour, you get to witness their world. This park is also where Dian Fossey's work helped save these gorillas from extinction. You're part of a legacy of conservation, walking in the footsteps of a legend. It's a connection to nature that feels ancient and powerful. So, is it a trek? Yes? Is it worth every single step and every single penny? Absolutely. More than wildlife viewing. It's a pilgrimage for nature lovers. Now, from the land of giants, we journey to Nyungwe, one of Africa's oldest rainforests. A biodiversity hotspot, 13 primate species, including colobus and chimpanzees. The showstopper is the canopy walk, 160 meters long, 70 meters up. You are walking in the sky, eye level with the treetops, birds flying beneath you, endless green in every direction. Pro tip, the forest meets manicured tea fields. Visit a plantation, learn leaf to cup, sip with a view. And yes, Rwanda also has classic savanna. Welcome to Akagera National Park. Once nearly destroyed, now a triumph of conservation. The Big Five are back. Lions roam, elephants lumber, giraffes browse, zebras stripe the plains. Don't miss a Lake Ihema cruise, pods of hippos, sunning crocodiles, and the fish eagles cry. You witness resilience and renewal, conservation in real time. After trekking and safarying, enter Lake Kivu, shimmering blue bordered by lush hills. Think Rwanda's Riviera, sandy patches, waterfront hotels, laid-back cafes, pure relaxation. Now let's talk about the city. Kigali will shatter your preconceived notions. Modern, safe, forward-looking, pride in every smooth road and buzzing cafe. You can't understand modern Rwanda without acknowledging its past. The memorial is essential, profound, heartbreaking, and handled with grace, a testament to resilience and unity. Then dive into Kimironko's fabrics and produce, and see contemporary art at Inema. The food scene is exploding, from traditional buffets to modern fusion. Ibiawaku near Volcanoes NP isn't a tourist trap. It empowers former poachers and families. You participate, grind sorghum, learn archery, meet a traditional healer. It's authentic, engaging, and incredibly fun. A human connection beyond a photo op. For adventurers, the Musanze Caves, raw natural lava tubes formed by ancient volcanoes. Step into cool darkness, vast chambers, strange formations, and echoing stories. A short, thrilling, slightly spooky detour most tourists miss. In Nyanza, step into Rwanda's royal past, a stunning woven palace and living traditions. Behold the Inyambo, elegant, lyre-horned cattle serenaded by their keepers. Then Hui's National Museum, one of East Africa's best ethnographic collections. 7 galleries, geology to pre-colonial life, a carefully curated story of a nation. Hidden gems, the Twin Lakes, deep blue against terraced highlands, a photographer's dream. Boat, paddle, hike, cycle, or simply sit and watch the world go by. Closer to Kigali, Lake Muhazi is perfect for a relaxed weekend on the water. And there you have it, 10 incredible reasons, and we've only scratched the surface. From life-changing gorilla encounters to hopeful city streets, serene lakes to royal history, Rwanda captures your heart. It blends warm people, rich culture, unforgettable food, and breathtaking landscapes. Like and subscribe for more travel tips.